Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
How to fix bad breath permanently. Interacting with someone with bad breath is one of the most undesirable social situations. Also, if you have bad breath, it can be very distracting to the people you are talking to and will likely develop a negative reputation. Masking your bad breath with mint sprays and gums can work temporarily, but it is not a long-term solution for people with chronic bad breath, also known as halitosis. The treatment for this condition will depend on the cause for each individual. In this video we discuss the causes of chronic bad breath and how you can treat this condition. The most common cause of bad breath is poor oral hygiene. Proper oral hygiene is key to fixing this problem by practicing proper and consistent daily home care, including brushing teeth twice a day, morning and night, for 2 minutes per session using a high-quality toothbrush. An electric toothbrush has been shown to be more effective at cleaning plaque off of your teeth. Flossing at least once per day. Tongue scraping and brushing, because a lot of bacteria resides on your tongue, so don't forget about it. Also, make a point of going for your annual dental checkups and dental hygiene visits at least every 6 months. Another common cause of bad breath is dry mouth. This means there's low salivary flow in your mouth, which allows oral bacteria to build up faster than normal, which can lead to halitosis. People can get dry mouth from certain types and medications they are taking, so consult your physician if this is the case. Another cause of bad breath is diet. Certain foods like onions and garlic will cause temporary bad breath. Smoking is a known cause of halitosis as well, and the solution is just to stop smoking. More serious medical conditions have been known to result in halitosis. Examples of these are sinus or nasal infections, throat infections, lung disease or lung infections, intestinal infections, diabetes, liver disease, kidney disease, and acid reflux or GERD.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.